In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to meet this guy and to come out to this place. So stick around. All right, so to get started, we're here in the big bad truck of the man with the master plan, Kune. Say hi, Kune.
Say hi, welcome. We take 10 minutes up to the pier.
This guy is a guy that you need to meet one day. So we're driving through Bang Rak and we're on our way to the start of the journey. And where we're going today is Ang Thong Marine Park. This was made famous in the book, The Beach, not the crappy movie. The good book, The Beach, was written about this secret group of islands off the coast of Koh Samui. It's actually a national park. I think it's about 100 square kilometers, and I've never been. So I'm gonna get out there and check it out. I'm gonna take you along for the ride. And the really cool thing is the guy that we're about to meet, who has the boat, is going to find an undiscovered beach today. So the goal is to get to this beach by midday. Let's see what happens though.
Good morning.
So this is our captain for the day.
How are you doing?
Yves. How's it going, Yves?
Very good, thank you.
Nice.
Welcome to my shop.
Thanks. Yeah, he's got a crazy dive shop here. We're not going to be doing diving today. We're going exploring. What are we doing? Are we looking to find a new route?
New islands on the Ang Thong Marine Park.
Ah, nice.
Check it out today.
Places that you've been or new places?
Some places I've been before and 2 new places I've never been.
Oh, cool.
First we go up to a viewpoint. We have beautiful views. You can see over many islands. And then we move to some local restaurant, get some fresh seafood. And then we go to a empty hidden beach.
Ooh, see, that's where I told you we were gonna go. You can come along for the ride. Yves is gonna be our host for the day.
Cool.
So we're down here on Bang Rak Beach. You can see behind me the group of people that are coming out with us. A great mix of people from the UK, from Switzerland, from Korea, from Scotland, America, Canada, and all over the place. And this here, that's our vessel for the day. So let's jump on that and hit the open water. So this is Yves' boat here. It's an 18-meter boat. It's got twin 250 outboard motors there propelling us along at quite good speeds. It's a dive boat. We're not diving today, but we're gonna dive this week. But this is where all the tanks go and everything. Lovely seating along the side here. One of my favorite features right here is this cooler, always kept nice and full. Problem is, when you drink too many of these beers, you have to use the washroom, but that's okay. They have what Yves likes to call the world's smallest toilet. I gotta freshen up.
The air is salty and the sea is rough, but I have faith that our captain will get us there.
From way off in the distance, the marine park looks like just a few small islands. But as you get closer and closer to the park, and once you're actually in it, you realize it's a countless number of rocks jutting out of the sea. As we're cruising through the park here, you're just surrounded by crazy limestone, prehistoric type cliffs covered in this crazy lush jungle, and some of the rock formations that you spot out there are just impossible to comprehend, really. There's perhaps none more famous or unique than Monkey Rock, the monkey who looks like he's holding his hands in the prayer position in front of his face. little beach in the background. I don't think that's the one we're looking for, but you see them for a minute and then they're gone. As we cruised around, we came across some Thai fishing vessels on the open water bringing in the day's catch, and we got hungry. It was lunchtime, and Yves said he knew a place. We went ashore and I decided to wander into the fishing village before lunch and take in the sights, sounds, and smells of this remote part of the world. So we've pulled into this little fishing village in this remote island in the middle of the sea, in the middle of Ang Thong Marine Park. I have a feeling that the seafood lunch is going to be very, very fresh. Don't worry, little chickens, we're here for the seafood. This restaurant, located on an island in the middle of the Gulf of Thailand, is literally hours from any civilization. They weren't expecting us today. They hadn't had any customers in days, yet here they were, ready to put on this incredibly fresh and delicious seafood feast for our group of 12. All right, so I'm gonna throw out a worldwide challenge. The first person who comes with Eve to this sign and posts in the comments below a picture of you and Eve at this sign gets a prize. I'll mail you a special prize. So find this guy,
cool.
Find this sign, and win a prize. Everyone in the world's available to join.
Cool. See you guys soon.
We see you tomorrow.
As the restaurant and fishing village faded into the background, I started to focus on the one thing left to do today. We found it. This is the beach. This is just a giant stretch of deserted sand here, surrounded by the most epic beauty ever. There's no way the camera will do this justice. You gotta come for yourself and see it. It's just a stretch of sand. We're the only people here. We're on this outcropping of rocks that's smack dab in the Gulf of Thailand. Life's pretty great. It's days like this that make me happy that I'm retired, working for you. It's nice to have an entire beach completely empty. I mean, even in busy season, this place is probably empty. This is a protected national park. The beauty here is epic. It's only about an hour boat ride from Samui, so when you're on Samui, definitely get out on the water. You're in the tropical islands, and there's lots of cool tropical islands around here. This is just lush, green, jungle, virgin jungle, rainforest. It's pretty incredible. Okay, so I told you that I would make it very, very, very easy for you to find this place. And as in the middle of nowhere that it is, this is all you gotta do. The waters peak Eves.com. Find Eves. Do yourselves a favor. Come and float in this sea.
Oh.